This guide will help you disable automatic restrictions on your PlayStation console. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access Settings. Navigate to the main menu of your PlayStation and select the settings icon. This is usually represented by a toolbox or gear symbol. Step 2. Go to Parental Controls/Family Management. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Parental Controls/Family Management. This section allows you to manage restrictions and settings for user accounts. Step 3. Select Family Management. If you are using a family account, choose Family Management. Here, you will see a list of family members and their respective settings. Step 4. Choose the user account. Select the user account for which you want to disable the automatic restrictions. This will open a new menu with various options related to the account. Step 5. Adjust restrictions. Look for the option labeled Playtime Settings or Restrict Use of PS4/PS5 features. Disable any automatic restrictions that are currently enabled. Make sure to save your changes before exiting. By following these steps, you should successfully disable automatic restrictions on your PlayStation. Enjoy your gaming experience.